Hello and welcome back.
Hi everyone. We're happy you're here.
Today we're talking about your evening routine after work.
Yes, real life, not perfect.
Do you feel tired after work sometimes?
Or your mind feels blank like, what do I do first?
That's okay. Step by step.
We'll talk about arriving home, dinner, and bedtime.
You'll get simple words you can use tonight.
All right, let's start.
Before we begin, how are you today, Mark?
I'm doing okay. A little low energy. How about you?
I'm all right. I have more energy than yesterday.
Oh, nice.
Did you get enough sleep?
Not really. I slept late.
Ah, okay. Are you sleepy now?
A little, yes. But I can focus.
Good. How's the weather there today?
It's cloudy and cold.
Any plans later tonight?
Maybe an early shower and bed. What about you?
Same quiet night at home. Okay, now let's talk about your evening routine after work.
Right. That's a common time to feel tired.
Exactly. If your day is long, your routine can be very simple.
Yeah, sometimes I get home and I just stop.
That's okay. We'll go step by step.
Good. Can we start with the first thing at the door?
Yes. When you arrive home, what's the first thing you do?
I take my shoes off and I wash my hands.
Nice, simple, and real.
And if I feel very tired, I do it slowly.
Perfect. Let's begin with that moment. When you arrive home, what do you do first?
First, I take my shoes off.
Nice. Shoes off. That sounds comfortable.
Then I wash my hands.
Right. Wash your hands. Good habit.
And then I get a small snack.
Oh, a snack. What kind of snack?
Usually fruit or a sandwich.
Got it. So you eat a little snack.
Can I say I grab a snack?
That's a good phrase. Let's review it fast. Grab means take quickly. For example, I grab my keys. I grab a snack. Okay, back to you. Tell me again with grab.
I grab a snack after work.
Perfect.
What about you, Lucy? What do you do first at home?
First, I put my bag down.
Right.
Then I wash my hands too.
Nice. Do you change clothes right away?
Sometimes, yes. If I feel tired, I change into comfy clothes.
Oh, comfy clothes. That sounds good.
Exactly.
Is it okay to say, I change my clothes?
Yes, that's correct. We also say, I change into pajamas.
Oh, I see.
When do you take a shower? Right away or later?
Later. I eat first.
Okay, so your order is shoes off, wash hands, snack, then dinner later.
Yes, if I'm very hungry, I eat dinner early.
Right, dinner early.
And if the house is noisy, I feel stressed.
Oh no, noisy can be hard after work.
Yeah, what can I say? It's noisy?
Nice. That word is very common. Quick word check. Noisy means loud with many sounds. For example, my street is noisy. The kids are noisy. Okay, back to you. Use noisy in your routine.
Sometimes my home is noisy, so I want quiet time.
Great. Quiet time. That's a good goal.
Do you ever need a quick reset when you get home?
Yes. I do a quick reset. Shoes off, wash hands, and a deep breath.
Oh, a deep breath. That's simple.
Exactly. Small steps help. All right, now let's talk about dinner and small chores.
Okay, that part can be hard when you're tired.
True. What do you usually do for dinner?
Usually, I eat something simple.
Like what?
Rice and eggs. Or pasta.
Nice. Simple dinner.
Do you cook every night?
Not every night. Sometimes I cook, sometimes I order.
Got it.
After dinner, do you do chores?
I try to do one small chore first.
Oh, one small chore. Like what?
I wash dishes. Then I feel better.
Right. Wash dishes. Small win.
Can I say small win Is that okay?
Yes, it's okay. It means a small success.
Nice.
Speaking of dinner, let's add a small real-life problem.
Oh no. Like what?
Let's say you want to relax, but the house is noisy.
Yeah, that happens.
What do you do when it's noisy?
First, I close the door. Then, I turn the TV down. After that, I go to my room.
Nice steps. Calm and clear.
But what if it's still noisy?
Good question.
Can I ask, can you be quiet, please?
That's a good phrase. Let's look at it for 1 minute. Can you is a polite request. Example, can you help me? Can you be quiet, please? Okay, back to you. Say it in your situation.
Can you be quiet, please? I'm really tired.
Perfect. That sounds polite.
What if I want to say it softer?
You can say, please, can we keep it quiet?
Oh, nice.
Now, after dinner, what do you do to relax?
Usually, I watch TV.
Right, TV time.
Or I read a book. But I get sleepy fast.
Ah, okay. Reading can do that.
Do you take a shower before relax time or after?
Usually after. The shower helps me feel clean and calm.
Nice. Can I say I take a shower later tonight?
Yes, later tonight is perfect.
Great.
And chores. What is one tiny chore you can do in 5 minutes?
I wash a few dishes. Or I take out the trash.
Exactly. Small chores, not a big list.
And then I can relax without stress.
Perfect. That's the goal. Okay, next. Let's talk about bedtime and preparing for tomorrow.
All right. That part helps my morning.
When do you usually go to bed?
Around 10 or 11.
Got it. Do you sleep right away?
Not always. Sometimes my mind is busy.
Oh, I see.
What can I say if I'm tired, but I can't sleep?
That's a good phrase. Mini vocabulary review. I can't sleep is simple and correct. Example. I'm tired, but I can't sleep. I can't sleep because it's noisy. Okay, back to you. Say it about tonight.
Tonight I'm tired, but I can't sleep if it's noisy.
Perfect.
What do you do before bed, Lucy?
First, I take a shower or wash my face.
Nice.
Then, I set my alarm.
Oh, do you always set an alarm?
Usually, yes. I don't want to wake up late.
Can I say I set my alarm for 6:30?
Yes, exactly. Set my alarm for is great.
Got it.
Do you prepare anything for tomorrow?
Sometimes I lay out my clothes.
Nice. Lay out your clothes.
Is lay out okay? Or is it hard?
Nice. That word is very common. Quick word check. Lay out means put things ready in the right place. Example. I lay out my clothes. I lay out my bag.
I lay out my clothes before bed.
Perfect.
What if I forget and I'm in a rush in the morning?
Then you can say, I didn't prepare last night.
Oh, that's helpful.
Now, let's do a short role play.
Okay, I'm ready.
You arrive home from work. You feel tired. Start.
Hi, I'm home. Oh, I'm tired.
Oh no, long day?
Yeah, first I take my shoes off.
Nice. Then what?
Then I wash my hands and I grab a snack.
Great. What do you eat?
I eat a sandwich. Then I make dinner later.
Perfect. Any small chore?
I wash dishes for 5 minutes.
Nice. Quick and easy.
After that, I relax. I watch TV.
Sounds good. And bedtime?
Later tonight, I take a shower. Then I set my alarm. After that, I lay out my clothes.
Excellent. Step by step.
Can I add one more? I turn the lights off and sleep.
Yes. Lights off is clear.
What if it's noisy and I can't sleep?
You can say, it's noisy. I can't sleep.
Right. Or, can you be quiet, please?
Exactly. Good job. All right, before we go, here's a viewer question.
Oh, nice. What is it?
How can I talk about my evening routine in simple words?
Good question. Sometimes I want to say a lot, but I can't.
That's okay. Keep it simple.
So, what should we say first?
We used many useful words today. Let's review a few quickly. I wash my hands. I eat dinner. I take a shower. I set my alarm.
Nice. Simple and clear.
We also used 2 extra helpful ones. I grab a snack and it's noisy.
Right. And I'm tired.
Exactly.
Can I ask a quick one? Is later tonight okay for bedtime talk?
Yes, later tonight is great for evening plans.
And what about I sleep at 10?
You can say that, but I go to bed at 10 is more common.
Oh, I see. Go to bed. Got it.
Now, a quick practice tip. Pick one routine and say it in 4 short lines.
Like shoes off, wash hands, dinner, bed.
Perfect. Practice for 5 minutes a day.
And write it too. That helps.
Yes. Now your turn. Write this in the comments.
Tonight I, then I, and later I.
Great. Keep it simple and real. Okay. Now you can talk about your evening routine step by step.
Nice. Simple English for real life.
Remember, short lines are enough.
And small practice is better than no practice.
If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more practice.
And share it with a friend who wants calm English.
Thanks for learning with us.
See you next time.
Bye for now.